Hello everyone. This is a quick look at this dash cam. It features a 3-inch glass screen with a clear and responsive display. Before using it, power on the device and press the side button twice to format the TF card. This step is essential. The dash cam connects to your phone through built-in Wi-Fi, making it easy to view and download videos using the mobile app. For installation, mount it securely on the windshield. The package includes a cable, concealment tool to neatly hide the wire and keep your car interior clean. This dash cam supports car chargers and USB-A ports. If your car doesn't have a cigarette lighter socket, the cable can connect directly to a USB-A port. It records in HD high definition, delivering clear footage during both day and night. It's really easy to use. You just press the button, scan the QR code, and follow the step-by-step instructions in the app, which is very simple. In just a few minutes, everything is set up and ready to go. The image quality is excellent and very clear at night and also during the day. You can see all the details, and it gives me a lot more peace of mind. Totally worth it.